Today I'm making a very easy Dhaba style chicken curry. This is a really delicious and flavorful chicken dish, so please do try to make it this way and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. My channel all about easy to follow and easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. To make the Dhaba style chicken, here I have 1 kg of chicken that we will first marinate with some powdered spices. So here I have a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. So adding all of those, and we will also add 1.5 teaspoons of ginger paste and 1.5 teaspoons of garlic paste. So add all of this and we are going to marinate the chicken with this, and we will set this aside for about 30 minutes. Now we are going to fry the marinated chicken. So here I have 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and the marinated chicken. I am adding the oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the marinated chicken. The oil is now hot, so we will add the marinated chicken and we will fry the chicken at a high heat for about 4 to 5 minutes till the chicken changes color and you can see water coming out from the chicken, and then we will reduce the flame to medium and fry this for another 8 to 10 minutes. So first go ahead and fry this at a high heat for 4 to 5 minutes till you can see the change in color. I fried the chicken on a high heat for about 4 minutes. As you can see, the chicken has changed in color and there's brown spots on the chicken. Also, the chicken has started giving out water. Now we will lower the flame and fry this on a medium heat for another 8 to 10 minutes and make sure you keep stirring it occasionally. It's been another 10 minutes, so now we will turn off the flame and set this entire pan aside. To make the gravy, we will first fry the onions and the ginger garlic. For that, here we have 3 tablespoons of oil, all our whole spices, 3 Kashmiri red chilies, 2 1-inch cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamoms, 6 to 7 cloves, 5 green cardamoms, 10 to 12 peppercorns. Here I have 2 medium onions, 300 grams that I have sliced, and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. I'm adding the oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the whole spices. The oil is now hot, so we will add our whole spices, the Kashmiri red chilies, cinnamon stick, black cardamoms, cloves, green cardamoms and the peppercorns, and we will fry this for 30 to 40 seconds till we get a nice aroma from the whole spices. Now we will add the sliced onions and we will fry the onions till they caramelize and turn light brown. The onions have now caramelized. Now we will add the ginger garlic paste and we will fry this at a medium-low flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next we are going to make our masala. For that, here I have 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. You can use Kashmiri chili powder as well, just for color. 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, and here I have tomato puree that I have made from 2 medium tomatoes, about 240 grams, some salt as per taste, and a whole bunch of coriander leaves. It's been about 3 minutes and I'm no longer getting any raw smell of the ginger garlic. So now we will add our powdered spices, the chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and mix this well, and we will fry the masala for 3 to 4 minutes till we can see the oil separating out, and add very little water because otherwise the spices will stick to the bottom and end up getting burnt. And make sure you keep the flame at a medium-low so the spices can get fried well and doesn't get burnt. And if you feel that it's becoming too dry, then feel free to again add very little bit of water. So let's go ahead and fry this for another 3 to 4 minutes till we can see the oil separating out. It's been 4 minutes and as you can see the oil is separating out. Now we will add the tomato puree And also we will add some salt as per taste. So we also added some salt when we marinated the chicken, so just be mindful of that. And now we will cook this till the gravy really thickens and the moisture dries up from the tomato puree and we can see the oil separating out. So as you can see, the oil is separating out and our gravy has really nicely thickened. It took me about 6 minutes, but it can vary depending on your oven and flame intensity. Now we will add a whole bunch of coriander leaves. So this is a very integral part of the dhaba style food, so make sure you add a generous serving of that. And now we will go ahead and mix this well for about another minute. Now I will add the chicken that we had fried before. So add all of it along with the residual oil, because that adds a lot of flavor to the dhaba style chicken, because this is the oil that we fried the chicken in. So go ahead and add all of the chicken. So I added the chicken. Now we will mix the chicken with the rest of our masala and cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes at a medium flame. It's been about 4 minutes. Now we will add some water. So here I have about half a cup of water that I'm adding. You can add more or less depending on how much gravy you prefer to keep. And now we will cover this with the lid and let this cook till the chicken is completely tender. So our chicken is now completely cooked and our dhaba style chicken curry is ready to serve. It's a very tasty dish, great to enjoy with roti, naan or lachcha paratha. Do try the recipe this way and let me know how this turns out for you. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.